Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today's video how to turn on SGE Generative AI tool when you search in Google in your computer. First, when you search something in Google, it will appear tool, AI tool. Then that easy for you when you search something, then you can get more details about what you search. First, go into upper right corner, then you can see search lab. Click that search lab. Going to that page SGE Generative AI in search. Can see that when turn on SG may appear when you search. Okay, you can turn on. Okay, then try an example. Click that. Okay, you can see that all generating. Okay, I'm going to search how to travel. How travel with cat. Okay, you can see that AI tool pop up already. Get an AI power to you for this search. Can click. That's generating all the details of plan your journey, bring a litter box, secure the carrier. So all details of what you're searching, you can get that with the AI tool. Okay, I'm going to Facebook. Okay, all generate. Now you can see generate all detail about Facebook. Facebook is social media, social networking service, who is the owner, and formally name Facebook in American multinational technology. All the details you can get from AI tool, what you search in the Google. Then YouTube, again, same thing, generating that all details about the YouTube. Whatever search in the Google, you can get more details with that valuable AI tool. That you can see search lab. I already turn on that SG generative AI search in Google. If you don't need that tool anymore, then you can turn off. Click normally that blue button. That's it's not will appear in your computer. Okay, that's a turn on and turn off SGE generative AI in search in your computer. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day.